Hi everyone, and welcome to this month's episode of Cooking with Celebrate. This month we are bringing you all things holiday and New Year's cheer. We're going to be making our frosted berry dirty soda. Let's get started. The ingredients are 6 ounces seltzer water, 1/2 serving high protein meal replacement in flavor vanilla, 1 bottle Celebrate CLR Protein Water in mixed berry, 1/2 cup fruit of your choosing, 4 ounces reduced fat milk. So this is our super simple recipe for a holiday mocktail or a New Year's Eve mocktail. It involves our Celebrate CLR in our mixed berry flavor, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use any of our other flavors. But we're going to start first by making our vanilla cold cream that you will put on top of the cold beverage. So we're going to add our 4 ounces of our milk. So after we add our 4 ounces of our dairy, now this was reduced fat milk, but you can use skim milk or you can use your dairy alternatives if you have a lactose intolerance or a dairy issue. Next, we're going to add our 1/2 serving of our vanilla high protein meal replacement powder to our blender bottle. And we're going to shake this up, and this will be what we add to garnish our dirty soda or mocktail. So once we shake that up, we'll set it aside. Our next step will be to adding some of our fruit. I chose strawberries, but it can be whatever fruit you want. It can be raspberries, blueberries, whatever you prefer. Mixed a variety of berries. We're going to add that to the bottom of our glass, and then we're going to muddle it. So after you muddle your fruit onto the bottom of your glass, you're going to add some ice. And then you're going to add even parts of your clear and your preferred flavor and your seltzer water. After you're done adding your clear and then your seltzer water, you're going to top off the beverage with your mixed vanilla protein shake. And there you have your frosted berry dirty soda. Try this your holiday season and let us know your favorite version of this mocktail. See you next year for Cooking with Celebrate, where we will be bringing you some fantastic Celebrate recipes.